Back at it again on a foggy morning. Nothing can stop OC Motivator. Not a foggy morning, not an early morning. Back at it again.
Is it true that red and yellow attracts you guys?
Oh, I can't miss that.
I know, right? Yeah. It's a little bright.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
All right, have a good day, dude. Stay safe out there. And we are back. And for me, this is day 2 of driving all over Southern California with Josh Laurent in our supercars. Yesterday, which is last video you hopefully saw, we drove all over the place with the South OC Cars and Coffee. I talked to you about my Dodge order. We went to a few awesome locations in LA and cruised up and down Rodeo, checked out Santa Monica Pier, and went home. It was about a 10-hour day. Now we are going to go to Malibu Cars and Coffee, and there's supposed to be a massive amount of cars there. Hopefully some more celebrities. We'll get some cool footage, some great video, and you never know what's gonna happen. We got this dude wearing the OC Motivator clothes. Ooh, we're gonna go race. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in there first try, watch. Whoa!
No freaking way, bro.
First try. First try. First try. I did it 47 times, but finally made it. Heads up, we're not in Kansas anymore, man.
Oh, I watch. Hey man, I watch you on YouTube.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Come on,
you got the
brother.
black Hellcat, right? The
Yeah,
white
I
Hellcat?
just sold it. Sad, I should have kept it.
Aren't you getting a new one?
I am trying, but they won't take orders right now. Look at this. I know. I love this shit. Look at that. I wanted to see that wrap. I got one question. Does the hat match the shoes? The shoes match a hat? Keep it organic, brother. This.
But this is my boy OC Motivator.
How you doing, sir?
I love you, dude.
Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate
you
that.
The Hellcat days.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Freaking all your cars, dude. It's so
Yeah.
much fun. So I remember you guys start off with the little Canon cameras.
Yeah, shit. We started off with our iPhones. You know what I'm saying? I did my iPhone for years. You know what I mean? And we just kept upgrading and kept grinding. And just a process, man. If anything.
I told him earlier what I love about you is, dude, it's sincere positivity,
Right.
and motivation.
Yeah.
With bravado. So
Oh, for sure.
Rare character that can pull all that off at once.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
But that's it.
And see, thank you. And how I move is like, I move how I move because it's only for the people that get it.
Yeah.
I'm not here to pull new people in that don't understand me. You don't understand me, God bless you in your path. But the people that get it, we're gonna go forever. And the people that's motivated, we're gonna get more motivated. People that are inspired, we're gonna get more inspired.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me, ballin' like Houston.
I was gonna surprise you guys.
I got it.
Making you a keychain.
$150
I'm making you a keychain.
I was wondering what you had this guy doing over here. I thought that was your cell phone. That thing. Oh, damn. That's insane. Yeah, let's go get the MG fired up. Damn. He's got the drift brake too in there. All right, you're next. Go.
Oh yeah, my car.
Hey, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing it.
Oh, man. You good? I got the camera rolling.
Ooh.
I'm about to present this thing. Kirk Strand's in the building. You know what I mean? Yeah. Right on time, man.
You got Gucci shoes on, man. You got
Let's
Gucci shoes on.
let's open it up. Go ahead, D-roll me, brother. I freshly shaved the head too, so I was ready, man.
That's a rare sight right there.
Yeah, it's very rare. Three of them want to do that. We need a good move, yeah.
There it is.
Okay.
Check it out.
What?
Look at it. Okay, it's matching the car. Ooh,
Let me see that thing there.
matching
Let
the
me see
whip.
that.
Matching.
It is matching the whip, huh?
Man, oh man. Oh, he feeling some type of way.
See that
Oh,
thing?
super some type
God
of way.
damn, huh? You see the gargoyle spikes on top of there? Look at that. Come on now. That's creativity, baby. You see the feather on there? That came straight from a gargoyle. You understand me? Ooh, what's that on the side? Is that goddamn? What's that, brother? That look like me. Historical individual. Come on, man. An ancient being. You know what I mean? My heritage, we on the Mayan temples and all that. So there you go. Man. Crown the king, man. There you go. How I'm looking?
Looking good.
I'm looking like it. Get him, get him, get him.
Great.
Man, come on, man. That's so great. Oh man, shout out to Kurt Trends, man. Got me all together. Good ass hat.
Now I want you to say, gang to the gang, gang to gang, gang.
Gang to gang, gang to
Say
gang
it.
to gang,
Gang, gang. Gang, get a gang,
gang to gang, gang to gang to gang to gang. It's on the chain. Going after new goals. That's what gang stand for, man. Nothing but positive affirmation.
Anybody here know what a 707 is?
Yeah, 707.
It's a whole lot of horses.
That's a whole lot of horses.
Hey, look
Where
at
the fuck are you up there, man?
And you see the analogy in that? Like if this is 707 horses, that's a whole lot of horses. That's what you said. Like, damn, that's a whole lot of horses.
Yeah.
And then you're a Hellcat, that's a whole lot of horses. Mental, brother.
It's a pleasure meeting you, dude. I want to meet you a long
Definitely.
time.
Yes.
You are awesome.
I appreciate the support, man. Especially from that long of a time. Man, that's appreciation, brother. Like you understood from the seed, like I say. You know what I'm saying?
All right, so that's a wrap, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's video with Josh Laurent, Mr. Organic, and a bunch of incredible supercars. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next one.
So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball.
Oh, yeah.
Just too quick for it. Peeling off like the whip orange. Seen the effort, this piss poor. I got too much, I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money stepping, I'm 10 to. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip. Got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues. Told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston. Ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out the stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told him this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told him put a check up in my hands. Still got time, no cap. Made a few checks, but they all in the raps. Had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in black. Shawty wanna ride to the hop in the back. See what's so 100, seen the rap on the dash. They catching up, dog, I'm moving too fast. I'm in the big leagues. Told her don't miss me.
I love it.
Ballin' like Houston. Ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in a big league.